Hey guys, Dr. Devin Codman here, and I want to announce that we're having our sleep workshop coming up here on Tuesday, March 12th at 6:15. It's going to be the Tuesday after we set the clocks forward, which is Sunday, March 10th. So we're going to be losing an hour of sleep. This workshop's going to be so valuable in so many ways. First and foremost, we're going to be talking about the primary and secondary causes of sleep issues. We're going to be going through the long-term effects of not getting the proper night's sleep. Really a host of things going from weight gain to decreased immune system function, brain function decreasing, your physical appearance suffering from not getting enough sleep, your memory, emotional health, a number of different aspects of your health, even your hormone production and hormone generation happens at nighttime when you're sleeping. So if you're not getting proper night's sleep, your hormones can be dysregulated. We're also going to be looking at the long-term impact, which is going to be heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and really an increased cause of death and obesity if you are not getting a proper night's sleep. So again, we're going to be going through everything. We're going to be talking about natural solutions to help improve the quality and quantity of your sleep. And we're going to be talking about essential oils, some other supplements. We're not going to be talking about any drugs at all. Obviously, we're looking at natural solutions for this problem. Again, it's going to be Tuesday, March 12th. It's going to be $20, and we're going to ask that if you bring a friend, then you guys will split that cost. We're going to be giving away a bottle of essential oil that's going to help, again, with the sleep. Also some light refreshments, and we're just going to have an awesome time. It's going to be about an hour long, our sleep talk, again, March 12th, Tuesday. We'd love to see you there. You're going to get a ton of value from it.